What are you doing, girl? You like your new room? We are at another flooring place. Look at this rug. It's so pretty. Probably doesn't go with our house, but it's so pretty. I think we found our floor. This is what it looks like. It obviously doesn't look exactly like it does on camera, but it's a nice, natural, cool, yet still natural looking wood vinyl. We're taking these home to see if we like them in our space, but these are the ones that we decided on. They come out a little bit darker on camera. We'll see what they look like. This girl, the sweetest girl in the world.
Just looks bad. Seeing that. Would you just sheetrock it, I guess, the top of this, or? So we just got home and we opened up our little package that we got in the mail.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's pretty big. Show them what we got, Mara. Whoa.
It looks not as cute because it has plastic on it, but...
What is it?
It's the light that's gonna go in our kitchen eating area.
Oh.
Breakfast, I don't know. I want to say it's gonna be a dining room, but it's actually in the kitchen, so it's so pretty. It's the Herman Miller saucer pendant light, and I'm obsessed. A new day, an early morning. It's not that early, it's 7:50. We are getting our locks changed, finally. It feels so peaceful out here. This is what our backyard looks like. All the trees. What do you think, Cove?
We're back at Floor & Decor, picking out a tile. I think we want to go with this one, maybe. The colors kind of blend together. The colors don't, like, contrast harshly.
I like how it's really nice and creamy.
Yeah.
It's gonna go well with the kitchen that we currently have. And it also is gonna go well with what we would eventually want our kitchen to look like.
Yeah, probably gonna go with a light colored grout to kind of match the color of it as well. I just want it to look as seamless as possible.
I think we're really feeling a lot of peace with that Serenity cream. And I think the lesson in all of this is really not to rush things and to really sit on it until you have peace, even for something as small as designing your kitchen. I think it's really important to find something that you're going to love through and through, and it's not just a trend, it's not just something you choose because it's like in or anything, but it's something that really speaks to you and something that'll be timeless. We'll be bringing home 3 different samples right now. A Sundance, this is like a really neutral gray. It has a little bit of like a warm undertone. This is is it called Sunbeam Cream or something?
I know cream is in the name.
It's something like Sunbeam or something, but it's so pretty against, well, I guess we can't really say it looks pretty against the wall because we're about to change the wall color.
Let's put it over by the door.
What do you think, hon? What do you think? Another car vlog. We're going to Lowe's. We are going to be working on Cove's room. We've decided these 2 colors together. Not together, but lambskin on top and then breathless on the bottom. Just a nice, girly, you know, baby girl room. I don't know. My vision is to keep it really nice and muted. Hopefully it just feels like you're on a girly cloud. That's the vibe. Look what we've got sticking out of our car. Back at the house once again, but I brought some beer and we're going to tear out the carpet in what will soon be my studio. I look bald, oh my gosh. We also got a fire extinguisher. I was gonna say fire hydrant.
A fire extinguisher. It lets you know it
what?
Looks at something. It's a fire extinguisher, so it like looks at a fire and it's like, that's a fire, in case you're doubtful. Let's do it again. Dang it, I messed it up. Wait, drink it. You have to drink it.
Alex, stop singing. Just kidding. This is what, oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good. Our Herman Miller pendant light is going to look like. It's gonna be replacing that, obviously. We are not keeping that fan. That is a no. That is a hard no. It's unfortunate that this carpet looks almost brand new, but.
It's gotta go.
Why is that open?
The night monster probably came out.
Should we race? It's my husband. Wait.
Pull.
There's just that one piece. This is tiring. That was fun. I'm done for the night though. I'm just gonna let him do the rest of it. We've got our new beautiful blue terrazzo.
Just kidding.
Carpet. Wow. This room also goes into the secondary bathroom that has carpet in there. So we'll be taking this out. So the studio will be connected to the bathroom, and it'll have tile going all down. That's hard work.
I'm so sweaty, stinky.
I'm so excited to see furniture in this house. It's not going to be completely done, but
yeah, our furniture covers more like at most a 2-bedroom apartment. You know, it's like
yeah. But that's kind of how I want to keep it. I want to keep it really open and free and clean. Like I don't want a bunch of corners and walls cluttered with stuff. Like that's the last thing I want. It's essentially moving day, but a really low-key moving day. Alec and his friend Jordan are moving our stuff from the storage unit and from Alec's parents' house. And it's raining outside. This is actually Alec's parents' secondary refrigerator that they're letting us use for now. We bought our washer and dryer secondhand and saved quite a bit of money doing that. Not a huge move since we already don't have that many things. I feel like we are pretty minimalistic. I mean, we do have like a lot of stuff, but relatively, I think we don't have very much. So it only really takes 2 people and a full day to move everything in. Picked up some stuff from Target and I came here to the house and some furniture has been placed. Obviously not in its permanent placement, but just seeing the sectional in the room makes me feel so happy. The painters have come this morning. They started painting and we're trying to decide if we want to leave the trim the cream color that it originally is, because it still looks it looks fine. But I want to see if the cream trim looks okay with the white wall or the canvas wall. Is it painter's white or painter's canvas? Because on the can it says painter's white. So this is what the paint looks like right now. They haven't painted the shelves yet or that because we had to go out and buy some oil-based paint, and they're gonna do a second coat on this because the edges are looking a little weird.
Did you have that like heart-sinking feeling when you went in and saw that greenish white?
I did.
'Cause I did. My stomach sank a little bit. I was like, dang, dude.
Dang it! Now we have a green wall or a green house. There were so many things wrong with that shade of white, and it was my fault. I chose the wrong white, and hey, but now we've learned. Guys, see, I wouldn't even be admitting this if we didn't have the idea to paint over with the second coat with that. So they painted with the painter's white that I thought I wanted, and I only did a small sample on a wall, and I didn't get to see a full wall with that color, so it really wasn't a good tester for me. I should have painted the whole wall. Next time I will. Next time I'm picking out a color, besides today, I'm gonna legitimately paint a whole wall first. And we went inside, and the trim was like this pinkish cream is what the whole house was colored. Not only that, but if you were from the outside looking in, the outside of the house is like this pinkish cream, and then the inside is like this greenish white, and it made me really, really anxious, honestly, just looking at it. Because our painters have to do a second coat anyway, I asked him if we could just change the white color to like a brighter white, and they said yes, so we're gonna do that right now. Now this is where we're at, the whitest of whites. We decided to go with pure white from Sherwin-Williams. Hopefully this makes it look a little more, well, just better. Day 2 of painting. So the painters are here and they're repainting the walls to that pure white by Sherwin-Williams. And I think it's gonna look so good. Guess who's here?
Hi. First house guest.
First house guest. We had so much fun.
Got wild, I lost my earring.
Oh my gosh, yes.
We actually need to look for it.
Yeah, we do. It's been a couple days since the walls were painted, but I just wanted to show you what they look like. This room isn't getting much light right now, which is another reason why we want to put the window in. It only gets light like sometimes because there's like shade. Here's the atrium from a different angle. Love this. We're finding all of the wonderful plants at Home Depot right now. Typically, I don't like buying plants from big box stores, but these are pretty good.
Here is the big reveal to see if it works or not.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Da-da-da.
Whoa.
Wow, look at that warm light.